Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will convert this orthographic drawing into the 3D model with the help of a part design workbench. So here I have activated my part design workbench and I will create a new file and then I will insert my body. So before starting the tutorial, if you like my method of teaching, then you can support me on coffee.com. You can buy a cup of coffee from me. Your small support will help these channels to grow. And you can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write the articles on FreeCAD and also on other open source software. Here you will also find the information related to the mechanical engineering, like mechanical design, engineering material, manufacturing process, etc. So let's come back to our topic and start our tutorial. So first we will read our drawing. So as we can see that here is a material removal and here is a material removal. So for this type of a part, first we will make our a solid block and then we will do the material removal process. So I will select the exact plane and create a sketch, and I will off my origin plane. Now first we will make a rectangular boss by finding the dimensions. So it is 100 by 85, right? So we will keep our origin here. So I will simply select a rectangle and draw a rectangle. So maximum area is here, height is 85. So I will select this and I will give my height 85, and horizontal one it is 100, and here radius R20. So we will find our total height here, or we can take some extra material because we will remove it. So we will take is approximately 70 plus 30 100, and I will keep this dimension up to the 150 because after all we will create our profile and remove the material. So here is a rectangle 100 by 85. Now I will come out of the sketch, and total extrusion is, this is the radius R30, so total it would be the 60. So I will give the pad and give it a 60, and never forget to make it symmetric to the plane. And now we will remove the material on this profile. Here we will completely remove the material. So for this I will select this face and create a sketch, and for the sketch we will draw this diameter of 40. Here is R20. So I will select a circle and give it a diameter 40, and from this edge it is a 90, and vertical it is a 65. So I will select this point and this point and give the 65. Okay, so we do not require this circle in a part of our extrusion, so it will be the construction. So I will make it as a construction, And now if we see here, it is a 8 mm, so if we see its projection in a side view, so we can see that here it is 8 mm and bottom it is 4. Okay, so I will draw a line here, and I will give it 4 mm, give the vertical dimension 4, and here it is 30, so I will give the horizontal 30. So 4 plus 8, because here we will remove the material later. At this portion we will remove the material later, but as of now our focus is here, this profile. So we will keep the material stock here. So for this we will give 8 plus 4 12, and this is the 30. After that I will draw a vertical line and then horizontal line, and again a vertical line, but that would be the tangent with our circle. So I will select this and give the tangent, and I will select this and I will give the vertical. And now I am going to the trim, and here in the projection, to find this height we can, if we take projection from here to here, so we can find that it is a 13 mm. So this line would be the 13, and let's see how much this one. This is the 40. So here if we see, we have given the 30, so we will delete this one and we will give it a 20. I will move my dimension outside, or I will move it to the bottom side. And now we will project this edge and this edge, and I will close my profile, and conflict I will resolve the later. Now I will edit my sketch. I will delete this constraint 18. Now I will make this and this tangent, and I will remove this extra geometry, and now we will use the 3-point arc to close our profile. Now I will select this and simply make equal. So our profile is fully closed. Now we will come out of the sketch. So it is took the glue command, so we will delete it, and we will go with a cut and simply say through all, right? Now we have removed the material at this location, and now our main target is to remove the unnecessary material whatever left at this side, left hand side. So I have selected the face and I will create a sketch and switch to the front plane, and now same way we will draw this circle. So I will select circle and draw one circle here, and I will select this and this, and I will give the horizontal dimension which is of 90, and vertical position is a 65, and we can make give dimension, or we can simply make in relation with this. So instead of giving dimension, I will make it equal. You have both the option, either you can constrain it with a diameter 40 or make it equal. So better I have made it equal, because when this feature will change, this will automatically change. So I would like to keep the dependency on my feature, and we do not require as a part of our extrude cut. So this will be the construction as usual we have did for our previous feature, and now we give our profile. So for this I will select the line, and I will join it. I will delete it, and this is the length 100, and then this is the third angle projection. So at this side here is a dimension 40. So if we see our 3D view, so there is a C type of a cut is there. So we will make the similar like as shown in because here I have a confusion, so I will refer the isometric model. So I will draw profile, and I will join here. So if we see here, this dimension is not given, but we can relate it, we can make it collinear. So for that we will project this edge and make this point and this point horizontal, and this point and this point give the horizontal dimension 25. Okay, now we also make it as a construction because we wanted to remove the material at this portion. That's why we have kept it in a construction. Now I will project this edge and this edge and draw a 3-point arc and close our profile. So for this I will click on project geometry. I will project this one this one and this one. Now we will resolve the conflict, delete it, and then I will select a 3-point arc and I will make it equal. So here it is some problem. Let's see. Okay, now we will make it equal. Okay, so this is our close profile and we can remove the material without any difficulty. So I will close it and go with a cut, and I will simply say true all. So you can see that we have achieved our overall shape as per 3D, and now we will remove the material at the middle portion. So for this we will on our plane and select our mid plane. That's why I have made the extrusion symmetric, so that I get a plane in between of my part. So this is a very good practice to imagine the model in your mind before making the drafting, because once you selected the wrong face or wrong feature and you have not took proper datum plane for your part, then it will increase the modeling time. So best modeling practice is that you imagine the part in your mind before you are going to actually create in a software. Now I will select this mid plane and I will create a sketch, and I will go to the tree view and of the plane, and now we can see that cut is a 36 and from bottom it is a 40. So it is very simple. We will take a rectangle outside of a body, means this line should be the outside of body because we are going to completely remove the material. Now I will select my origin point and this point and give my vertical dimension 40, and we will give some approximate dimension to just constrain our rectangle, 120 by 60, and give some approximate dimension, let's say 35. Okay, now we will come out of the sketch and we will go with a cut, and cut is a 36, so I will give you a 36 and click on symmetric to the plane. So you can see that at middle portion material has been removed. Now if you see from the top view, so there is a R30, so I will select this edge and this edge and go with a fillet and give 30. So 30 would not take because there is some problem with FreeCAD, and I face this problem many times. So what I will do, I will give 29.99. now it will take without any difficulty. So and I will say okay. Now we have made the solid features. Now we will remove the material. So first I will select this face and create a sketch on this face. Now I will draw the circle because this is a very plain hole, so I will not use the hole feature. Now switch to the top view. So this whole position is a dia 18. So I will select this, give the diameter 18, and its position is R30. So basically it will be the concentric with our the fillet feature which we have made. So we will project it and find out its center. So simply I will merge it rather than giving my position. Okay, so I will select this and this and say merge. Okay, come out of the sketch and say cut and say through all. Now I will select this face and create a sketch on this face. And this is a diameter 20. And I will say close and I will say extrude cut and I will say through all, say OK. Now there is a hole on this face, so I will select this face and simply select a sketch and I will draw a circle which is of diameter 15. And position is 55. So I will project this edge. I will select this point, and this center and give the dimension 55 and I will close it. And it is a complete material removal, so I will go with a cut and say through all and say OK. So as you can see that we have successfully converted this orthographic drawing into the 3D model, which is exactly same with our isometric view. Now we will go to our pocket and give some color to our part. So I will give the same color. Say OK. So I have given the exact same color to our part. So this is all about this tutorial, and this tutorial designed for the beginner user, those who had just started learning the FreeCAD. If you have any suggestion or comment, please comment in the comment section of the video. I will come with a more useful tutorial like this on FreeCAD for the beginner user. And if you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. Your small support will help this channels to grow, and also motivate me to create some awesome content on FreeCAD. And also visit my website mechnexus.com for more info on FreeCAD and other open source software. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.